guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we are actually going to be cleaning not this car but this. Hold on, this car. This 1.3 litre bad boy whip, it is going to be getting a full detail for today's video. So a few days ago, I actually hit up the chemical guys. These people, I basically asked them if they want to get involved in the video, and surprisingly they said yeah. So they actually gave me £100 to spend on their product for a full detail. And we're talking from shampoo all the way up to the wax, the protection stage. Ooh, down. We've got microfiber towels, microfiber applicators. We've got sticky citrus. Oi! Their branding on their products looks amazing. Do you not just want to drink that? I mean, don't. This looks like a spy thing. Chemical Guys glass cleaner. Very nice, very nice. Trim and tire restorer. Butter wax. And last for the bottles, we've got honeydew snow foam auto wash. And then last but not least, in the box, we have got a drying towel for the car. So literally everything you need from a complete detail. Not a full contaminant detail, but a full kind of just regular wash detail. Little bit of a quick interruption. The chemical guys have actually been beautiful, amazing people, and they've given you guys a 10% discount code if you use the code OtherStuff. If you use my discount code at the checkout, you will feel like a baller saving all those peas. Go check them out, link in the description. Back to the video, boy. Pressure washer, check. 2 bucket method with grip guards in, or else detailers will literally rip my arsehole apart, check. And a snow foam lance, check. And we have got the pebble. The first Chemical Guys product we are using is, it looks like some bloody cotton candy. I mean, look at that. This is actually, I think they're lamb wool knit. Damn, I could sleep on that. It's like a bed. So I'm just gonna chuck this in a bucket and leave that to sit in the water for a little bit. So then yeah, we're gonna start off with the wheels, and we're gonna start off by rinsing them off. These are 20-inch hubcaps right here. Wow. So let's start off by rinsing it, and then we'll get into the sticky citrus, which is beautiful. We'll spray some on the thing, and let's, you know, let it do its thing. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Fam, that smells amazing. I'm done. Nope, over. Video's out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let that sit on there for a little bit, and then we're gonna use a little brush to work that into the thing and get rid of all the dirt. I'm the king at chatting shit on this channel. Don't listen to anything I say. Okay, alright then, so we've got now a nice, clean hubcap. Literally, look at it. So then, all 4 wheels have been done, as you guys can see. Obviously, they're not in the best conditions, so there you have it though, they are sparkling. Moving on to rinsing the car off, I'm honestly so damn surprised it didn't blow away or disintegrate from the bloody jet wash. Now with cleaning cars, I put so much time into rinsing the car off because honestly, I'm so lazy, and if you do a really good job of rinsing the car off, it leaves so much less work for later. Right, so the car is all rinsed off now, and literally it looks clean already. The next step we've got to do is actually use the snow foam, and honestly I'm so excited to use this. Oh my god, that's like instantly gone green. Damn. Pop that back on. Looks like we're reloading gun on Call of Duty or something. I then snow foamed the car, and wow, would you look at that? My favourite part of this Chemical Guys snow foam is the smell. Honestly, it was so hard to put my finger on it, but honestly, the way it smelled was wow. The honeydew smells fucking incredible. It actually makes me angry how nice it smells. The sticky citrus, or should I say the stinky citrus, that was a bomb. This honeydew one, oh my. I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like, but let me tell you this. It's incredible. I rinsed off all the snow foam after letting it sit for around 10 minutes because it was quite a nice cool day, so I could leave the snow foam on for a while. Then I actually reapplied the leftover snow foam for that little bit extra lubrication. And let's be honest, you can never go too wrong with a little bit extra lubrication. The car is now snow foam for the second time, and you know, the essence of that smell is gorgeous. So then what we're going to do is we're going to pop one squirt into this bucket right here. Oh, I've missed. This right here could cure Ebola. So yeah, what we're going to do now is we're going to hand wash the car. We've got some snow foam as extra lubrication. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to apply a wax to the car. We're going to apply this butter wax. And honestly, this car should be gleaming. It should be the nicest pebble ever. You guys didn't actually see me dry the car because my both cameras died. So I've run upstairs to get this. Yeah, the car is now all clean. All we need to do now is apply the plastic trim restorer as well as the tire gel. So that is going to make this car absolutely pop. But yeah, like I said, we're going to do the wax right now. It is the wet wax. But yeah, here the car is all dried and looking fresh. I mean, look at the sunset on that. Wow. Look at that. That is like a mirror finish, that is. Did not even think that this car had it in it. Oh hello, it is Butters featuring butter. So then here are the applicators, and they're like nice little sweet. We're going to make this quite quick because it is actually getting dark right now. So literally we're going to put a small blob of wax on here. Like so. Oh jeez, it's like mustard. Oh, that even that smells good. We're going to apply a thin layer to the paint. Then we're going to do the rest of the bonnet, and then I'll probably do the rest off camera. I don't know if you guys can see the wax on there, but it is on there. We can do the finger swipe test. If it all comes off, then it's ready to come off. We'll probably get that off in like 10-20 minutes or something. It's quite cold. The butter wet wax was honestly so nice to work with. I hate waxing my car. It takes too long sometimes, but this one was so easy to apply. And when it was ready to come off, and even in some bits, it was telling me, bitch, I'm not ready to come off. It still came off super nicely, as you guys can see in the montage. This is such a plus because I hate waxing cars. So I'm very happy that this is so damn easy to work with. And lastly, I loved how this smelled. It was so damn strong, the smell, but it's really nice to work with. It's like a kind of sweet smell, like some sweets. It was beautiful. But yeah, this was honestly such a breeze to work with. I'm so happy with the result of the car. So I've just buffed off all of the wax and look at the shine. Look at that fucking shine, man. For a Ford KA, 2004 Ford KA. That's gorgeous. I don't want no music over this bit because look at that. You know, it's got a few key marks in. It is a 2004 car, but you got to respect, you know, the end result of detailing. I know I'm not a professional detailer by any means, But huge shout out to Chemical Guys. Right, so there are actually 2 products left. There is this tyre and trim gel and also this glass cleaner. But we're going to leave the glass cleaner for today because everyone knows what glass cleaner is. But this trim and tyre gel will transform the plastics of the car. There is a lot of plastic on the car, like the door handles, this bit, and then you've also got the tyres that need dressing as well. So we're going to crack on with that. It's going to get really dark. And I can't even show you guys the results in the morning because my sister's leaving at 5 AM. So basically with this, it's the same process. You apply it to the microfiber applicator, and then once you leave it for a minute or 2 and then buff it off. And then if you want an extra glossy shine, you put more than 1 coat on. So all right then boys, so here is the end result of the car. You guys can't really see it very well, but you know, there is so much shine to the paintwork. It literally looks like it's got no scratches at all. Usually on silver cars you can really see the scratches. So we put the tyre gel on, and honestly that is 1 coat and that is incredibly shiny. I've also touched up on this plastic and that is like back to black. That was like grey before. Also touched up on these bits. They're like new plastics. Very nice. And yeah, that's unfortunately the end of today's video. Literally, it's now dark. So I've literally been out here all day. Alright then guys, so unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. I wish I could show you guys the results. This is a clean pebble. It looks like it's got some bloody, I don't know. It actually is gleaming. Let me quickly wrap up what I thought of Chemical Guys, because this is the first ever time I've tried it. Bear in mind guys, they're not paying me 1 single penny. They've literally just given me free products. They haven't told me what to say. They haven't told me nothing. So inside here, if you guys want a setup tour, there will be one coming up soon where I review my room and you can see all my detailing stuff in here as well. Subscribe to my second channel, link in the description. So then, here are the products. And first thing I can say is, what really stands out to me about these products is their packaging. Their packaging bangs. Like, it's so satisfying to use a product that has really nice packaging. Sticky Citrus, look at that. I feel like each of them have like a little bit of a different theme, which is really nice. Next thing, which has nothing to do with the actual product using, but they smell incredible. Each of them have a different smell. This smells, oh, wow. I don't know what that is. You're probably not meant to smell these, but it smells amazing. And Sticky Citrus, this stuff is so strong in the smell. My sister stood outside and apparently it stunk of this. It's obviously really nice to have a product that smells good when you're using it, because you want to use it more. It just makes the whole experience a bit more pleasant for you, rather than it stinking of, I don't know, some really harsh chemicals. I didn't actually get to use the glass cleaner right here. It's probably just normal glass cleaner. The products that really stood out to me in the fact that they're the best I've ever tried is Trim and Tyre Restorer Gel, or whatever it's called. Trim and Tyre Gel. Plastic and Trim Restorer. This stuff I used on the plastic on the Ford Ka, and the plastic looked like it never been touched. And I used this on it and wow. Jeez, it turned black. Like, it looked like new plastic. Even putting on the tyres, this stuff is better than the tyre gel I use. And the next product that really stood out to me is this butter wet wax. Super easy to put on and super easy to take off. Literally, I feel like in some places this wax wasn't properly set because I went around the car really quickly. But it all came off quick. It all came off really nice. And once it came off, the shine was incredible. It just added that little bit extra. I don't know what that word is, but it sounds French and amazing. Butter wet wax, really rate this. Like, it's, I don't know, it's just amazing to use. It's just not a problem to use. You know, usually when I'm using wax on a car, I just can't be bothered. But this one, I'll definitely use it on my car a lot more. The Sticky Citrus was good, but I can't really say much about it because the wheels weren't very dirty in the first place. So this is probably used for some deeper dirt on the wheels, which probably would be like my wheels or something. So yeah, overall, really happy with the products. Like, genuinely not saying this because, you know, they've sent me these free stuff. I think this is banged. This is banged in my books. But yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to the Chemical Guys for sending all that stuff. out. Again, use my discount code, the other stuff. I'm not getting paid for that discount code, by the way. I'm just genuinely trying to save you guys money if you want to try these products out. Hopefully the chemical guys will want to come back for more work, like maybe we could do the interior next. Comment down below if you've ever tried the chemical guys stuff and let me know what you guys think of them. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at _OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. From me and the chemical guys, goodbye. Whoa.